Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 400 different strategies, with 126 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 300 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,048 indicators, with 437 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says this all-in-one Tradingview buy and sell signal indicator, this will blow your mind. And so grammar, a little bit hard to understand, and so but obviously they seem to be saying that there's an all-in-one Tradingview indicator with buy and sell signals, and that it will blow your mind. And of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, I'll tell you right now that it's not an all-in-one indicator. Again, weird that they make that claim and then add two indicators to the screen, but so be it. Again, we'll put it to the test and see what we can get out of it. Doesn't necessarily mean that it's not going to be profitable. And so what we'll do is the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the trend target indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click that and add it to the screen, and jump into the settings of this one. And what you'll do is you'll change the trend length right here to 12, and everything else should be on the default settings. I don't know if these are or not. Just go ahead and uncheck these selections if they aren't, and click OK. And the next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the ultimate bands indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. And what we're going to do is you're going to change the length right here to 26. And everything else here should be on the default settings. This one should be set to 1. This one should be set to 40. Make sure this is unchecked, and then jump into the styles and uncheck any of these selections that might be checked. You just want to keep this plot right here, and then keep these last couple selections and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we're looking for when we get a arrow like this right here. It's kind of hard to see. We'll call it a red arrow, even though it's more of a brown arrow, but we get an arrow like this, and then we're going to look down to the ultimate bands, and we want it to be in the green, or I'm sorry, the reddish color here, with the background, this kind of fill area to the downside like it is here. And once those line up, that'll be your signal to then enter into a short. Now it is 1 bar into the future to get this arrow to appear, which is why it is 1 bar ahead right there. So we'll set our trade on this bar here. We'll set our stop just right above this kind of pivot area, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice push to the downside gets us to our take profit pretty easily. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for the green arrow like this here to appear. Then we're going to look down to the ultimate bands, and we want the fill or the background here to be above the 0 line and in the greenish area or background. It's hard to see, but there is some green there, and so that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right below this pivot and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And again, really nice step up there, gets us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 11 winning trades and 39 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 22% win rate. If you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, your total gain would have been $6,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking the $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $15,600. For an overall loss of $9,000. So definitely not a great strategy. Might blow your mind only when you lose a lot of money. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator during the same period of time. We did 29 trades altogether. We had 24 winning trades and 5 losing trades, putting it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $14,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $6,000 for an overall gain of $8,400. So definitely better results. And if you'd use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate quite significantly and would have put you closer to the $14,000 total gain. And so really better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. Just the other day we closed out the 35th winning trade in a row, still maintaining that 100% win rate, using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. It's over 2 months now, 100% profitable. In back testing, the combination did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. I'll put a screenshot up of the trade on screen now, so that way you can take a look at it. The 35th winning trade. And as a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader that we are offering a money-back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you are not profitable within the first month, we'll give you back your money. And if you want to read up more on that, then you can go to our Discord and go down to the money-back guarantee channel here, and you can view the information on that. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.